you're having an amazing time here. Our focus today is on the easiest, simplest, fastest, quickest, cutest, simplest ways in which you can style your braids for just any random day, casual days, office days, school days, girls day out, indoors days. Mention them all. Remember to talk to me in the comment section. Tell me which is your favorite way to rock and roll this style, with the bandana or without the bandana. Let's get into it. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Let's do it. First of all, you need a hair tie, something to tie your hair. So drop your hair next to the front, then back, like that. Like that. With this, it will help you to have, like, to tie it at the very top. So let's do this. This is actually the easiest way in which you can hold your hair up by just bending over. How many under or it's under? Like that. You see, that was easy if you just bend at the back and then turn like that. I've also done another tutorial where you can check out different hairstyles, different simple hairstyles, but this one, it's a style that you can rock and roll in anywhere. So the next step is having help of you can do this, you can rock and roll like this, but for the hairstyle of the day, you just hold this here like this and then just roll it like that. So from the back, the same hairstyle, we call it the messy band. The messy band from the back. So this part, and it will hold on to the hair the whole day. You don't have to stress yourself. If you want it to stay in place, you can add another hair tie, which is not necessary if you have actually done it straight here, as in tightly here. So this one, you put it there, but you need a bigger one so that you don't destroy the messy band already. The next thing is this one. You can rock the style like that or add a bandana. So fold the bandana like this. I told you it's simple, fast. Remember to check out my other uploads. Doing the bandana was easy, just like that. Here's the bandana like that, and then tie it. You can tie at the front, or at the back. So guys, tell me in the comment section, do you like it with the bandana or without the bandana? Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Right now we are going to my other uploads.